Hey guys, it's Max with GTN Official here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this affordable video doorbell. Now, this video doorbell claims to be a more affordable alternative to pricier video doorbells that still offers most of the bells and whistles like HD recording, two-way audio, and night vision. Today we are going to be testing that out. Without any further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Let's see what's in here. We have some sort of sticky tack. Here we have the manual. And under that, it seems we have the doorbell itself. It's a little bit thicker than I expected from the picture, but it does still seem to be relatively hefty. It doesn't feel super cheap. Has a nice little look to it. Very clicky doorbell button. Camera's right here, you can kind of see. And a sensor on the top. It also has some sort of mounting system, it seems. Get back and cover that. And it seems like it kind of pops open here. Yep, here you go. Kind of pops open. We have some information here, as well as a power output that looks to be micro USB, and the rear casing. Under some more packaging, we have, this looks like a sound output for home. We have a micro USB charging cable, and we have some screws and other mounting equipment. Out of all that was included in the box, these are the two most important parts right here. Here we have the speaker output for the doorbell. It plugs into a USB power adapter just like anything else would, and it would output when the button is pressed on the doorbell. You will be able to hear a sound to know that it is ringing. And here we have, of course, the doorbell itself. So let's get started on this. And what it looks like is we are supposed to remove the insulation tape from the battery before we use it. So let's go ahead and do that.
Powering on.
There it goes.
Entering pairing mode.
It's powered on with the single battery. So, cool. All right. There goes that tape. And sounds like it's already in pairing mode. So let's take a look at that and get this thing paired up. So to start the pairing process that the doorbell is encouraging me to do, as you can see by the flashing light right on the front, I'm going to take my device and scan the QR code shown here to download the AIWIT app. Now, as the app is clearly designed as an iPhone app and not an iPad app, the proportions are going to be a bit stretched out, but I'm going to create an account for the purposes of this video and get into the app so I can start using the doorbell. So after a quick 3-minute sign up process, I'm now in the app and ready to pair with the doorbell, which is now turned off. So to begin that process, I'll start by turning the doorbell back on. Ringing it is enough to do so. And you can see the flashing red light shows that it's not paired to anything, so we're going to go back into the pairing process.
Entering pairing mode.
In the app, we will connect the doorbell. I'm assuming it would be the video doorbell option, because that is what this is. And allow use of Bluetooth. T6. So here we go. Scan the QR code with the device's camera. Okay. So the next part of this process is to take this.
QR code scan finished.
Perfect.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
That scanned really fast.
Wi-Fi connected.
There
Waiting for device registration.
There we go. Sign up successful. And just like that, you're all connected. It's a pretty painless process, so it's good to see that. Let's start by testing this thing out. So now that everything is all paired up, we can kind of get a live feed from the doorbell camera of exactly what I'm recording. So as you can see, if I take this and I walk around my house, everything I'm doing will appear in real time on the iPad screen. It's honestly a pretty decent camera quality. To me, it seems pretty similar to Ring, but there are still a few things we have to test out. So right now I have the audio muted right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to unmute the audio so you guys can hear that the two can communicate between each other. It is going to be a bit of an earache considering they are so close to each other, but it'll give you guys a good idea of what they can do. Test. You can also hold the mic button here. Let's not forget to mute that. You can also hold the mic button here to communicate through the doorbell. Test. Honestly, with the FOV that this thing has, it makes a half-decent selfie stick, and I would be proud to use it as one. But since that's not what it's for, let's go get this thing mounted on my door. Alright, so we've now made it into the outdoor installation part of the video where I'm going to be taking off my old doorbell, this Kangaroo Security Video doorbell, and installing the new one to show you how easy the process is. So let's get started with that right now. And now to mount the new one, you gotta start by mounting the case, which goes in before the actual doorbell itself. So let's get that mounted. That's what the video doorbell looks like installed. So real quickly, the next thing I'm gonna do is set up this siren. So here's a power brick and here's the siren that kind of makes the ring when the doorbell goes off. All I'm gonna do is plug that right in there. Right side up will be better. And just like that, this thing is all ready to be plugged in. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is plug this into the wall and it'll be all set. Alright, and just like that, the video doorbell is all set up. So now, as you can see right here, here's the ring button. That blue light is showing that it is detecting motion and recording me, sending the footage to the app. If I press this button, you can hear it ringing right here. It is also ringing inside the house as shown. And right here you can see what it looks like on your phone when somebody rings your doorbell. You'll get a notification letting you know, and then you can view the footage and talk to the people through your doorbell's included microphone. Alright guys, that is going to just about wrap it up for this video. Thank you so much to Joe Cyrus for sending out this doorbell for me to review. If you're interested in purchasing one of these for yourself, the link will be in the description, and the first 3 subscribers to do so will get fully reimbursed. More info down below. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel as it really helps me out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I hope each and every one of you has a great day. This is GCN Official, signing off.